Hello, this is Julie Gizzy talking. I'm going to give you a little demo today about some of the peelers that we carry from Pampered Chef. So this is our vegetable peeler. This is our serrated peeler. And this is our Julienne peeler. Now you'll see a difference between these two. There are teeth on this one, and this one is serrated. And this is really meant for things that are hard to peel, like kiwi fruits, mangoes, squash. I love it for sweet potatoes. And then I'll show you also our veggie strip maker, so you can see what the difference is between the Julienne peeler and the veggie strip maker. So I'll start first with a couple of carrots. And so to use our vegetable peeler, with long vegetables, it's wonderful because you can just put the tip of your vegetable on the board and then just rub your peeler back and forth. It's sharp in both directions, which is great if you're left-handed and you want to make sure that your tools are good that way. So there we go, we've got that carrot peeled. And if you'd like to use your serrated peeler for that, you're going to just go in one direction. There we go. And then you can put all these veggie scraps, of course, in a veggie scrap bag you can store in the freezer that you can use for making homemade veggie stock. So let me show you then how to do a mango with the serrated peeler. I like to start near where the stem is and then just gently pull it all the way around. There's a couple of different ways that you can do mangoes. If the serrated peeler is your style, you'll enjoy doing this. You can see my little furry creature here on the side. She loves it when I do vegetables. Just when I think it's quiet and she's sleeping and I can do this, wakes her right up. Okay, so let me show you the mystery behind mangoes. Okay, so when you look at a mango, there's usually a ridge, and when you find that ridge, that's how you know where to slice. So you want to go on both sides of it. And if you feel like you're hitting the pit, just back off a little bit. There's a lot of waste with a mango because the pit is, it's a big long flat disc. You can get all the way around, and that's about all the fruit that's on here. And then of course you can dice up your mangoes and just eat them as a snack or put them in a smoothie. So let's work then on the Julienne peeler and the veggie strip maker. So when you're using the Julienne peeler, I'm going to show you a little trick. Take a paper towel and use it to hold the end of your vegetable. I like to leave the end on, just provides a little bit of extra holding space, but the friction of your paper towel on here will help you keep a good firm grip on it. So you're going to take your veggie strip, your Julienne peeler, and you're just going to draw back like this. Once you get to a flat side, then I like to go ahead and rotate the vegetable. And these are wonderful for salads. So here you have all these nice strips. Okay, so they fall apart. They're perfect for doing small amounts for salads and things. Guess I wasn't pressing very hard, but you'll see the perforation. Okay, so they actually come out in stronger strips, narrow strips, more like this when they're not all connected to each other. All right, let me show you another way that I like to do the vegetables. The veggie strip maker is my favorite way to do a Julienne cut. Until this came out, of course, the Julienne peeler was my favorite, but now it's this, and I'll show you why. It's super fast. I'll just cut off the end of my carrot. And so if you are using this for zucchini, leave them nice and long and you're going to make veggie strips that way. But with carrots, just put it on your veggie strip maker. Use the flat part of your hand, go down and back. It's plastic, so you're not going to hurt yourself. and then rotate. This is a small carrot. And you can see you're going to get some long strips. So the difference between the two is somewhat slight in the size of the cut, but I find the veggie strip maker the easiest, and I find it to be safe. This one here, I would never let a child use this. The Julienne Peeler is razor sharp. The veggie strip maker is plastic, and you're not going to hurt yourself. So it really depends what you want to do with it. They're not far apart from each other price-wise. So anyway, that's why I usually encourage the veggie strip maker, which you can also use for cauliflower and potatoes and things that are short, whereas this is not very useful for things that are short. So you can use it on zucchini and cucumbers and carrots, but if you wanted to do potatoes, you might struggle with that. So anyway, that's just a quick review on some of our peelers, and this knife that I was using, by the way, is our 5-inch forged cutlery. It's the 5-inch Santoku knife, lifetime guarantee, fabulous product. So I hope that answers some of the questions that some of you have about our peelers, and it helps you decide which peeler is perfect for you. Goodbye for now.